In lesson 1, we talked about setting up your cover page. Now most of you have that done, so now we're going to move on to designing the inside. So if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, where it says outside, click on that, and I'm going to get to the other side, the inside of my brochure. What I want to talk about today is setting up images so they look nice. So first of all, this image is too big. When you resize, make sure you use one of the corner handles. Do not resize from the sides. You'll end up with a picture out of proportion. The next thing, as I look at this picture, I don't want this whole picture. So if I come down to Edit Photos and click in here, I'm going to get a whole bunch of other tools I can use. The first one is Crop. So I'm going to make sure I'm clicked on that. And I'm going with a square crop, which just means that I'll make this picture smaller, and I don't want that little elf guy in it, and I don't need that much sky. All I want is that snowman there, and then I'll click OK. Now I have an image that's what I want, so I can use that to cut stuff out of pictures I don't want. So that's pretty easy to do. The next thing I want to do is when I line up my pictures, I want them to be exact. So over here on the ruler, I can click this. I get a little blue line. I'm going to put that blue line right across the top of that picture right there. And now I know where I need to line things up. So I can click on this picture, and with my arrow keys, I can quickly move things up one pixel at a time. And now you can see those pictures are lined up perfectly along the top. It does help to make things look very nice if you take the time to do that. And I do it both ways. So let's just pretend I was going to put this picture down here. I would click another reference line right here. Put the guide right where I want it. And then line up this picture, again, using my arrow keys, right on that line. And when I'm done, I can just take these away. I don't have to take them away because they're not going to print, but they'll be there. And I use that to line up all my stuff. It makes for a much neater looking brochure. And also, if you remember, if you notice, I'm sticking with the red background, the white text boxes, for my theme for the inside too. We talked about keeping our theme consistent throughout. So that's just an easy way to get your pictures in here, make them look nice, resize them, and edit them so you don't have to have a picture you don't want. So good luck designing the inside of this. Take care and have fun.